Norwegian weather. Thor is out and he's angry again. And I'm going for a walk. Just gonna get my fucking umbrella going. On. Okay. This is amazing. Okay. There's even some hail. I guess Thor is really angry today. It's this Norwegian weather. Oslo. Late summer. It's beautiful. It's just... Whoa! Hello, neighbor. This is fucking amazing. Just look at this. Woo. Wow. Could all get lucky and get hit by lightning. You never know. That would be something. There he is. Oh, sorry. Walking with my new hip, so since I'm part bionic man now, I'm basically a target for lightning with an umbrella. It's even better. Don't stop now. No wonder the Vikings believed in Thor and the hammer and stuff. Yeah, well, you got this again on the planet. Yeah. Crazy. Ah, hail! Fucking beautiful. I mean, there's a lot of things that lightning can hit before it hits me, so I'm not worried. Yeah. Hee-haw. It's kind of toned down now. Oh, film a little bit more later. Beautiful light. Oops. The light is always so beautiful when it's raining like this. Kind of a mix between... Making a video about rain. Funny. Norwegian rain. Oslo rain. get an umbrella, and every kind of weather is beautiful. This is Vikshåland in Oslo. It's not my home place, but it's where I live. My home is kind of Karmøy, Norway. This is just a place where I live and do my art. So it's a nice place. It's a good place to be. And yeah, what can I say? I'm lucky to be living in a country like Norway where you're basically covered. And we have beautiful rainy days, enough water. There's never a lack of water. So I wonder why don't they just make pipelines of water down to a place in the world where there are less water. I mean, sharing is caring. As much as it rains in Norway, we can probably rearrange the deserts of the world just by making pipelines from Norway. That would be something. Come on, give me a lightening! Thor, come on! So, yeah, rainy day in Norway. Beautiful. And the light is just so, what shall we say? It's almost like a painting. Really lovely. Always digging somewhere. What is this? Always building, digging. It's almost like New York. Always digging somewhere. So. Beautiful lights. Vikshåland, Oslo. Yay. And then it gets a silence after the storm. Look at this now. Boom! It went from raining like crazy to this. Just silence. With Thor far, far away. Going back to Valhalla, where I'm going to stay when I'm dead. In my dreams anyway. It's gonna happen. I hope. I'm an atheist, so I don't really believe it. But if I want to go to some kind of heaven, it would be Valhalla. Where I can fight, drink, eat, fuck, probably, without any consequence at all. Wouldn't that be something? And I don't want 72 virgins. I just want to have fun. With this, just in case. Look how beautiful it is up the rain. How the light just swirls in. So the air is now just crystal clear because all of the snuff is just pulled out of the air by the rain. And it almost smells like Karmøy where I come from, where it's like all the time because it comes from the sea. It's almost like that here. And really beautiful. Yeah, love this. Love rain. This kind of rain. Now, if you like to see me paint, please visit my YouTube channel where I paint. There's a link in the description, and there is also a link probably in the end of this video. So with this, I really rest my case. Until next time, stay cool.